Hi everyone, I'm Glichee. In the previous episodes, we moved from the noisy roommate to the silent observer. But there is a place where we feel life most intensively, the heart. Have you noticed how your heart closes when someone criticizes you or when things don't go your way? You feel tight and blocked. Today, we explore the most vital secret to a great life, the art of keeping your heart open, no matter what happens. Whether we call it spirit, chi, or as Michael Singer called it, Shakti, there is a massive amount of energy stored in us. When your heart is open, you feel inspired, energetic, and loved. Everything flows. But the moment we feel fear or shame, we instinctively close. We build a wall to protect ourselves. We are trying to freeze a moment of reality because we can't handle the discomfort. But here is the catch. When you close your heart to keep out the pain, you also lock out the joy and the light. So, how do you stay open? Michael Singer gives us a very practical tool. When you feel your heart starting to tighten, perhaps during a difficult meeting or a conflict at home, relax. Don't fight the feeling. Don't try to change the person in front of you. Just let the energy pass through. Think of your heart as a straw. If you pinch it, nothing flows. If you let go, life moves through you. Stay as the observer we talked about in the second episode, and simply watch the energy of hurt or anger move through your heart without letting it push you into closing. Your mission for today is simple but powerful. Whenever you feel a clench in your chest, take a deep breath and say, I'm staying open. I'm letting this pass. If you can stay open through the small annoyances like traffic or a rude comment, you are training for the big challenges. This is how you become truly unbreakable. And this is how you achieve a quantum jump in your emotional intelligence. Life is a gift of energy. Don't waste it by living behind the wall. Keep your heart open and let the new inspiration in. I'm Glichee, and I'm here to cheer for your inspired action and your journey to a great life. In the first episode, we will talk about the gift of pain and how to finally clear the old scars that keep us stuck. Don't forget to subscribe to Glichee. Thank you for being here. See ya.